Hello everyone, this is Min Hong Lee from Montclair State University. So my topic is the practical applicability of augmented reality in e-learning. This is my agenda. Introduction, what is AR? Augmented reality, augmented reality type, AR system connection technology, augmented reality with Unity, AR's e-learning prospect, conclusion, reference. Introduction. E-learning is the use of internet technology to provide a variety of solutions to improve knowledge and performance. E-learning is a network, so training, content, and information are immediately updated, stored, retrieved, distributed, and shared. This ability is rapidly becoming a fundamental requirement for e-learning. What is augmented reality? Is AR. AR is as a virtual reality field. It is a computer graphic company that combines virtual objects in a real environment into things that exist in the original environment. You can see the picture in the virtual reality and inside the augmented reality. Augmented reality type. I can say two types. First one, image recognition. This is a service using image recognition. It is a service that recognizes information on an object reflected on a camera screen using image processing technology and then provided additional information. Second, position information. It refers to a method of identifying location information, not picture, and display information related to the location object. If we express it as the most accessible game, we can take Pokemon Go, which was popular a few years ago, for example, and it is a service that showed information of object overhead using satellite location. And AR system connection technology. First one, Magic Leap has the largest number of patients related to virtual reality, augmented reality in the worldwide by accessing environment from the Google and its Japanese group is SoftBank. And the disadvantage of existing augmented reality and it is preparing to nearly realize the inconvenience of virtual reality as a technical convergence. Magic Leap has photonic light field technology that naturally created virtual images. This is a key technology of Magic Leap that implements a computer-generated virtual object like an object in the real world by adjusting the direction of light that touches the retina by lightening on a transparent lens. As shown is while coming out of the gym, the user various characters as a game environment in the office environment and the form of the hand, the common fear of image that appear after a small elephant is hidden inside in that recognized environmental object and express content. Yes, two pictures of the AR system connection is a technology. There are many questions about how to apply this mixed realistic content because detailed prototype of the user requirement has not yet been realized, but it is expected to be improvement in much more effective way than existing AR and VR. In the online class timeline, the first one is the preferred refer on the site of the inform used in the has been modified. First one, eLearning system. Device feed by data learner and sedentary learning is simulated. Devices are stationary. Contact is iterated. Abstract experience. Action is watch. M-learning is mobile learning. Device can sense data. Learners are nomadic. Learning is situated. Devices are pervasive. Context is simulated real experience. Action, do. Last one, learning is ubiquitous. It's learning. Device are context-aware. Learners are nomadic and independent. Learning is integrated to real life. Device are omnipresent. Context is nested. Tangible experience. Action is feel. Augmented reality development system. So many companies are using the United, it's the Premiere Engine and Oculus. United is a game engine that provides a development environment for 3D and 2D video game and an integrated production tool for creating interactive content such as 3D animation, architecture, visualization, and virtual reality. Premiere Engine is a system market learning augmented reality technology. Augmented reality serves to connect people with product, thought, sale, and brand awareness, generating experience. Premiere Engine is outstanding computer vision technology, enable you to build powerful and accurate AR environment in a variety of environments. The last one is Oculus. The Oculus Rift is a virtual reality device that provides the user with an immersive 360-degree view of the three-dimensional virtual reality world. The unit included the Rift headset, two Oculus sensors, and a pair of Oculus touch control. So in these three systems, I needed to better environment in the eLearning, in the uLearning the system, in the 3D. So I can just recommend it for in this system. And application plan technique of augmented reality with Unity. I make the Unity is a little bit simple 3D pointed. And 2-3 picture. First of all, we can make it the United system. It's very easy 3D printing and the easy virtual system and the augmented reality. And I can do Unity and using Premiere Engine and using and the Premiere Engine. I keep using the project too. And I make it the one is the picture is the sampling and the make it is the cube, it's the 3D cube. Well, it did make it a cube, but it's the next one I can printed it the sampling the paper, but it's not has it the 3D cube, but it's the mobile learning, it's the mobile camera is the watching it's the sampling picture, but it's the in top of the cube fabric, it's the 3D printing. This is the very simpling augmented reality. But I need more studying the reality system United and the more making the 3D and augmented reality United system. It's more development. I needed more development in the system, I believe. AR e-learning prospect. The educational application of augmented reality content is based on student satisfaction and direct and indirect effect on learning effect in terms of application. It will have an effect. First, sensory engagement is an essential factor recognition of knowledge, understanding and application thought present and learning commitment was found to have a significant effect on the learning effect. This is a sensory curiosity system in which the use of augmented reality technology is simple, meaning the immersion and effectiveness of learning is several beyond the bar. It is a result that showed that it works. Second, the learning effect aspect of augmented reality in terms of application factor rather than knowledge and understanding factor. It was found that the use of content has greater explanatory power. This is a decontextualization in which augmented reality focuses on understanding existing concepts. Beyond the acquisition of knowledge, the application of practical virtual reality techniques as a result of showing that they have a beautiful effect. Conclusion. Digital content of new technologies combined with education as described above. In the future, its use will continue to increase in education. It is predicted that therefore more diverse subjects and learning content of augmented reality as a new teaching and learning media and research institute that should be developed and can verify educational value needed of purchase. The use contributed to the improvement of scientific analysis and comprehensive capability. Research and augmented reality situation increased the acquisition or understanding of a simple concept. Beyond that, we conclude by indicating the effect on the application part. So, I believe there is more development in eLearning, in term learning, the AR system. It's my reference. And thank you.